Hi guys, welcome to this video about the huge price drop in the Samsung Galaxy S10 factory unlocked phone with 128 gigabytes. That's listed on Amazon. Yeah, as you know, I make every now and then a video about a really good product which uh, is now available for really low price, and this is the case here. The Samsung Galaxy S10 came out in about March 2019, this year, so it's not a long time ago. It has always been around $900 unlocked. Even at the beginning of July, it has been around 900, and now it dropped to $683 with Prime. That's crazy. What you have to be aware of, there are three different products of the Galaxy S10. There's the Galaxy S10e, that's the cheapest one, but you have to be careful. It doesn't have all the features of the S10 and the S10 Plus. There's almost no difference between the S10 and S10 Plus apart from the size. So if you like all the nice features, all the great cameras, in-screen fingerprint sensor and all those things, and you don't need the large screen size, then the S10 is a perfect choice for you, which is really cheap at the moment. So not all the models are super cheap at the moment, but the standard S10 version is super cheap at the moment. $683 for unlocked version with full Samsung US limited warranty. That's crazy. Yeah, when we go down to the descriptions, you can see that here. That was I was talking about the Galaxy S10e. Has some limited features like the camera. It has not all the cameras which the S10, normal S10 and S10 Plus has. So here you can see they have exactly same camera, and also fingerprint is upgraded only in these two versions. So I would definitely recommend to stay away from the S10e version, and only if you want to buy one, so choose either S10 or S10 Plus if you want the larger size 6.4-inch. If 6.1-inch is enough, then this is, you're good to go with this one. And you have to only decide on the amount of storage. As you can see, there are different versions of storage available. Like with the S10, you can choose from 128 gigabytes or 512. With the S10e, yeah, I think there's just one version. With the S10 Plus, also just one version available. So yeah, but anyway, at the moment only interesting is the S10 for a really super low price. I don't know why that the case, but I can only suspect that maybe Samsung is really struggling because of the huge problem with the Samsung Galaxy Fold. They really had a huge disaster when they came out with their foldable phone, and it turned into a huge money grave. And now I think Samsung has to sell a lot of phones, and that's bad for them, but that's good for you. So they really came down in price dramatically, and you can take advantage of this situation to get their premium mobile phones for really super cheap price. We don't have to discuss about all these really nice features. The one of the best cameras for sure, with the zoom and the super wide angle and awesome night shots and whatsoever. So this is definitely one of the most capable camera phones. And yeah, fingerprint now in screen, yeah, also, yeah, and everything. I've never heard anything really bad about this phone. That's the good thing. And I have found also another one thing which is really interesting. When you go to the listing on Amazon, now I will put down the link to this really nice phone into the description, so you can just click on that. You don't have to look up for the right listing. And yeah, when you go here to the different sellers, I have found something which is really interesting. Of course, you always want to buy just new, and here we have one thing here which I have found. That's the Emily's store has 99% positive feedback, and it is fulfillment by Amazon, so you don't have to deal with their store directly. You can deal with Amazon when it comes to returns and whatsoever. And here, that's the great thing. It comes without tax. It's tax free. So I don't know, either they ship from, I think, California, New York, or another state without tax. That's awesome. You can save a lot of money when you just click on the listing and you just say add to cart. Then probably it will be this listing from Amazon directly. And the thing is that you have to pay another $47.84 estimated tax. That's a lot of additional money. You can really save on that. That's an awesome thing. Yeah, just make sure you, when you buy it, so you yeah, choose the right listing. That's the thing here, Emily's store, and then you can go to the right side and click on add add to cart. So I mean, this is just my personal recommendation as always, but if I would be in the market to buy a new phone and I had this money ready to buy something, I mean, that would be my first choice, no question at all. And yeah, with the limited warranty from Samsung US, you can't go wrong. I mean, it's an absolutely awesome price. Yeah, I mean, on the long term, it could be that it comes down maybe a little bit more. You never know, but I don't expect a really lower price, and it could be that the price now jumps up right back like 50 or $100 easily. I mean, I have seen this in a couple of times with the S10 Plus or with the S10e. So the price can easily jump up now from here. And short term, I really don't expect a lower price, only on the very long term. So that's it for now. I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about your things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.